All right, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. I just had my first service appointment on my 2026 Model Y Juniper long range rear wheel drive. This is my second Tesla. My third Tesla is the 2025 Model 3 Highland. First Tesla was the 2020 Model Y. My 2020 Model Y long range all wheel drive had some issues for sure, and I bought it as a used car, so many of those issues could have just been from the fact of neglect from the first owner. Also, it was a New York City car, so had some suspension issues with that car. I had my first service issue with the Model Y Juniper. So I had mentioned in my 1 month review, and I believe in my 2 month review also, that my driver's seat was squeaking. So if I moved at all in the seat, it would squeak like that. So I brought it into Tesla. I had to make the appointment a month out from the date that I scheduled the appointment. So I had originally, I noticed the issue actually on the second day of ownership. I didn't notice it on the first day. Maybe I was just so excited with the new car that I didn't realize it.
Let's talk about what really transforms a Tesla's cabin from sleek to premium. These are the all-weather floor liners from 3W Liners, made for the new 2026 Model Y Juniper, and I've just installed them in my 2025 Model 3 Highland as well. Now, 3W is celebrating their Black Friday sale. If you order through the link below, you'll get up to 35% off on the official website and up to $50 off on Amazon. Don't miss out on these limited time offers. These aren't just generic mats, they're engineered from 3D scans of your exact floor layout, delivering a glove-like, edge-to-edge fit that locks in place and stays put. Don't let rain, snow, or spilled coffee ruin that premium look. These liners are made of TPE, completely waterproof, built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, so they won't crack, warp, or let anything seep through. Cleanup, a total breeze. Whether it's mud, sand, dog hair, or spills, just rinse the water or wipe with a damp cloth, and you're back to spotless in minutes. But here's what impresses me the most. No weird smells. The non-toxic, odorless TPE material keeps things fresh even under heat. Perfect for both my Model Y Juniper and my Model 3 Highland. And honestly, they elevate the interior and make it look even more refined than stock and way more premium. So whether it's protecting daily errands or outdoor adventures, or just wanting your Tesla's interior to feel as premium as the ride itself, 3W's all-weather floor mats are built to perform and look good doing it. Check them out at 3wliners.com. With my code, TheFitITGuy, you'll save a limited time 35% off on 3W liners. 3W offers premium custom fit floor liners for Tesla models such as the Model Y, X, S, and 3, as well as the Cybertruck. 3W also provides high quality liners for a wide range of electric vehicles and other vehicles as well.
But I had that, and then I had a defect in the door trim that I'll put up here. There was a little bit of a deformation of the door trim. It just kind of looked weird because especially the spot it was, it's right where you kind of look at when you open the door. So that was there. They replaced the door seal for free, and they fixed my seat for free. They said it's been a common issue with the Model Y Junipers. I've heard some people having a seat that moves. Their seat actually moves as if it's not bolted down properly, and I've had some people have a squeaky seat. This is a very simple service visit. It took them about an hour to fix both issues. I wasn't there for long. I was just actually editing videos on my computer while I was waiting. They were gonna offer me a loaner car at first, but I said I'd wait. And I went to Tesla of Englewood, New Jersey. It seems like they're a new service center there. They are huge. So those of you in the New York, New Jersey area, they are a huge service center. So much space. I've never seen such a big service center so empty. So go ahead, check them out. They were very quick. The kindest Tesla service center I've been to. I've been to 2 different ones in Brooklyn. I've been to the one in Princeton many times as I used to live close to there. And now I live close to the Englewood, New Jersey location. And they were great. I really love the service there. The technician was great. I left them a nice review. So definitely, if you want to take your car somewhere to be serviced or you want to go visit a Tesla service center, that's the one. I can sit in the car now. No more squeaking. It was very annoying. It was bothering me like crazy, but knowing I had the service visit a month out really annoyed me. But I did want to try out a new service center, which is why I went with Englewood. I think depending on the issue, I've noticed over the years, depending on the issue you have, you may be pushed up closer or further away when you schedule an appointment, depending on the issue. So I just want to let you guys know, very quick video, that my service visit was great. It was nothing major. Nothing's wrong with the car so far. I have 2,200 miles, and there we go. This is my Model Y Juniper. I've done a ton of modifications to it already. I love it. You guys have been following along on my journey on my channel, so I thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, guys. I just hit 3,000 subscribers recently. Let's try to hit 4,000 soon before the end of the year. I would really love that. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for the next video.